Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily reset both your Panasonic AC remote and the air conditioning unit itself. To get started, take a look at the bottom of your remote or near the battery compartment. You'll notice two small pinhole buttons labeled RC and AC. Just to clarify, RC stands for remote controller and AC stands for the air conditioning unit. You'll need something small and pointed for this. A paper clip or a pin works great. Today, I'll be using a SIM ejector tool. First, let's reset the remote. Simply press and hold the RC button for a few seconds. You'll see the icons on the display disappear for a moment. Once you release the button, the screen will return to its default factory settings. Next, we'll reset the AC unit using a similar step. Point your remote toward the air conditioner and press the AC reset button. You should hear a confirmation beep from the unit, letting you know it is successfully returned to its factory settings. And that's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.